Alright, HVAC people, so we got the Appion G5 Twin here. This is the only recovery tank I ever used, so I went back with the Appion G5 Twin. We're gonna do an unboxing. I need to recover the rest of the refrigerant inside this condenser unit right here so I can scrap it. Alright, so it's the Appion, very good recovery tank, solid recovery tanks. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. Looks good. Like I said, I've been using these for more than a decade now, so that's why I chose to go back with it. Not that light, but got a good motor up in here. Never had any problems with these. I had one where the fan broke on the back one time. I don't know how that happened, but so I'm going to get my extension cord, and we're gonna get the refrigerant out here. I already got my recovery tank set up. I'm gonna grab my scale, and probably should be about at least 5 pounds up in here. But as you can see, it's the Appion G5 Twin. Nice. Appion G5 Twin. So we got our end, got our regulator valves on here. Gonna open them up. Looks good and solid. It's the Appion G5 Twin. As you can see, covered 2 screen filters we can put up in here. So I'm gonna keep those. All right. All right, so I'm gonna get my refrigerant scale. All right, so we got the Elitech scale. Matter of fact, I need to grab my other Elitech scale. I need to do an unboxing. Alright, so I'm gonna zero this out. Alright. So I usually, let me see this here. All right, so with my hose, I use this leave my out hose that's going into my recovery tank. I just leave it on my recovery tank or my recovery cylinder or machine, recovery machine. So I'm gonna this thing right here, or the depressor, I'm just gonna take out so we can get better flow. I just say that just in case I need it one day, but like I said, I just usually leave mine on the out port. Take this off. I'm just gonna take this off, take a look in it, see if it did come with, and they do not come with the screens on here, so we gotta install the screens. Oh, I'm sorry. So the end does come with a screen attached. All right, so it does come with a screen, so they give you 2 extra. All right, whoa. Some people install a little filter just to be extra safe, but I don't never do that. It's just gonna slow me down. Unless I guess if I were planning on reusing it. All right, so like I say, I'm gonna go ahead and just, the one that says out, I just leave this hole attached to it. All right, so I'm gonna put my out on my vapor. Go. I'm gonna crack it so we can purge it. All right, grab my extension cord real quick. Should be able to fire it up. That's the Appion G5 Twin. All right, so we're gonna put our extension cord. Alright, so I already have my gauges hooked up to it. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this because I have my, whoa. So this is brazed. These 2 ports are brazed, so I can open the king valve and let the refrigerant out. Go. So we got about 208 in there. There we go. Like I say. Whoa. So we got to hook up our end also from our middle port on our gauges. There we go. Oh. So that's a purge right there. So we can go ahead and open this up. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Oh yeah, sound good too though. Got a low voltage notice. Low voltage may cause the motor to overheat or fail. Check for adequate voltage of at least 110 volts at the machine while it's at running. This is particularly important for initial run period, 3 to 4 hour run time, because the seals and bearings are the tightest at this time. For 3, use shortest possible 12-3 or heavier cord. Oh yeah, it sounds good though. There you see. Count down. This unit had a leak down here at this corner. Oh yeah, it sounds good. It sounds a lot better than my old one. It's about time for an upgrade. HVAC people! Appion, looking good. G5 Twin. Sound good. Go ahead and open that on up. I see why I wasn't using this I see why I wasn't using this hose right here. It's busted. Thought it was a backup. So I'm gonna change that hose out real quick. Like even this refrigerator, I'm not gonna reuse it, so I ain't really worried about it being contaminated or nothing. So I'm gonna go grab another hose. All right, so we're gonna re-up on the hose. So these, I'm gonna do a leak search on that, maybe with some nitrogen. My last Appion didn't come with these. Look like a 35-degree angle type connector. All right, put that on barely. All right, put it on all the way. Open it up. So we ain't got but 40-some PSI here. So I gotta get the rolling. There we go, gonna get that down to 0. So it's probably maybe about 2.5, 3 pounds in there. Real quick, you see the condition of this coil right here. They had this coil right by a dryer vent. Look at that. Tough. Appion G5 Twin. Highly recommended. To me, one of the best recovery tanks you can get. Never really caused me any problem. Very dependable. All right. That's almost complete. As you can see, it's going out the system. We got a sight glass. Goes into the recovery machine. Goes out the recovery machine. And into the tank. So we're already down to 0. Alright, so we can go ahead and close this. Yeah, my other one was a lot louder than that, so I'm happy. All right, once again, that's the Appion G5 Twin. All right, HVAC people, like I say, this is a great recovery tank. If anybody's in the market for a good recovery tank, I highly recommend this one. Like I say, I've been using this one for over 10 years. This brand right here, Appion, great recovery tank. Give it G5 Twins 2 thumbs up. All right.